Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix and bypass ChatGPT is at max capacity right now. So here we are on ChatGPT and as you can see, I'm getting this message here saying ChatGPT is at capacity right now. This basically means that there are a lot of people trying to access track ChatGPT and it basically can't take any more users on. However, there is a way you can go and get around this. So literally all you need to do is go to the top of track ChatGPT or whatever browser you are using, go and refresh it, tap on the refresh button just like so, and as you can see I can now log in. Not every time this is going to work. If I press it again, it may go and say it's a capacity again, so don't click it too many times. If I go and click it again, it may load, or as you can see now I can do it. So it's going to be pure luck. Sometime the first time you refresh, it is going to work. I'll just keep pressing it until it loads again, and as you can see I can now and go log in. So I can then go and press login with my details and go use and chat GPT. So I'll quickly do that now. So there we go, I just log into the chat GPT and here we are. Now can go and just see the system as you usually would. I just went and asked a question just to show you that it's completely working, and as you can see it's working. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.